अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video button crafts ideas. Today I will share some wonderful and fun button crafts ideas. Buttons are not just for clothes, they can also be used to make beautiful and creative decoration. With a few colorful buttons, glue and simple tools, you can design amazing crafts for your home. Let's begin. First, you can make button pictures frame. Take a plain frame, stick colorful button all around the border. And you will have a unique frame for your photo. Second, try button or wall art on a canvas or cardboard. Draw a shape like a heart, tree and butterfly, then fill it with buttons. This makes a sketch wall decoration. Third, creative button. Children use button to make earrings, bracelets or necklace. Just join them with thread or wire. They look cute and stylish. Another idea is button bookmark. Take a paper clip, glue a big button on top and your bookmark is ready. It's easy, quick and useful. Next, you can make a button flower. Use wire or strings and fix button on top. Arrange them in a vase for a colorful look. You can also try button coaster. Glue button together in a circle or square shape. These coasters are fun and perfect for your cups and glass. For kids, make button animals. Stick button on paper to form shape of cats, birds or fish. This is a creative and playful activity. Another idea is button management. Glue button into management strip and place them on your sides. They look decorate and hold notes or pictures. You can also make button greeting card. Use button to design balloons.